Born on the prairie during the coldest day on the planet, a -54 with the wind chill at a -64. Brrr. Out of the wilderness, a grunt, a lone bison standing defiantly, knowing this could be the beginning and the end. The bear stirred, the wolves howled. Dreamtime, introspection, talking to the spirit world, gathering medicine of the heart. The wind spoke, a whisper, then a shrill. Too spirited for you, Buffalo Boy you shall be. Thus were the humble beginnings of Buffalo Boys, a Wild West, a spirited journey into the heart of coming to know. The snake. They slithered across the land, belching smoke and fire, prowling for the next big conquest, consuming and scorching everything in their way. Through the haze and putrid smell of branded skin arose a sign, 3 crosses heralding happy and glorious, sending her victorious, long to reign over us.